Yo, what's up, gun family? Today, we testing out if the Airpod Maxes is good for the gun range. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it with noise cancellation off, shoot a couple rounds in it, and let my son shoot it. And then we're gonna, talk about it, see what it's hitting for. And then I'm gonna shoot it with the noise cancellation on and see if it's a big difference. And right now I can already tell like it's taking away some of the sound and everything, but I can still hear everything around me. So let's test it out. Try to record me again.
Yeah, I got you.
Don't drop the shit. I see my light dead anyway.
Good.
See, so.
You was cheating with it last time.
Shadow Systems SR 920 Elite. About to shoot that with the Airpod Maxes on. No noise cancellation. See what it's hitting for. Let's check it out. All right, that was one whole mag. Weird. Your turn. Shut them off?
Yeah. I'm good.
What'd you think?
It's good, but I think the red dot might be off.
You talking about them? I'm talking about
The AirPod?
earphones,
Yeah,
man.
the AirPods is good. Sounds just like regular headphones that you can put on.
Yeah.
Yeah. You couldn't really tell the difference.
Shoot another one, and then put the noise canceling on.
That was without noise cancel?
Yeah.
Man, that's good. Damn. Oh,
What happened?
it's not what I do. Turn music on.
Oh, maybe that was me. Nah.
Oh, there we go. I turn the music off, but the noise cancel's off. Alright. Same turtle. I tried shooting the red dot, man. Nah. We ain't gonna talk about that. That was the red dot's fault.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the red dot's fault.
Okay.
Yeah. Blame it on the red dot. Do one for the sniper real quick. All good.
Better with the noise canceling or no?
Yeah, noise cancel's good.
So
all
was
good.
it better that time or the first time?
I say the first time.
First, without the noise canceling, you think it was better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I feel like without the noise cancel, it was more like you couldn't hear it, but you could.
Mm-hmm.
With the noise cancel, it blocks everything else out. And I feel like it might make the shots a little bit louder.
Okay. All right, now we're gonna try me with the noise canceling on. I can already tell there's a big difference. Now let me try shooting it with the noise canceling on and see if there's any difference.
down here.
All right, so with the noise cancellation on, to me, it's a totally different sound. I like it way better with the noise cancellation on than with it off. My son likes it better with the noise cancellation off. He just wear it like that, but I think with the noise cancellation off, they still good, like that you can still be used and you can still hear everything around you, but with the noise cancellation on, it's just better. Like it's just more safe for your ears. Like with the noise cancellation off, I felt like I heard like I had like a little piercing or something when I was shooting, you know, because it kind of hurt my ears a little bit. Maybe I got sensitive ears, but with the noise cancellation on, you good, you know, like it ain't no issues, you just good to go with it. So I would definitely say these are gun range rated, and you can use these in the indoor range, because you know indoor ranges, they got that louder percussion because you're indoors. So outdoors, you're gonna be Gucci, but indoors, you Gucci too. So if you want to use these at the range, you good to go. You get the Urban Gun seal of approval.